Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off and on the auto rotate on your Gigaset GX6. You have two options for that, and first of all I'm going to demonstrate it real quick how it is when it's turned off. Let's say you're in the Play Store and you want to turn your phone sideways for whatever reason, then the Play Store won't shift to the side. So you have the first option to go to your drop down menu and swipe to the right, and here you have auto rotate. Now it's on, and when we go back, go to the Play Store again, then you see the page shifts sideways. Second option you have is to go to your settings and then go to display, and here you have auto rotate screen. It's on right now because we turn it on in the drop down menu, but you can also turn it off and on here. It might be a bit easier and faster if you just go to your drop down menu, but up to you, whatever you like. But that's how you turn on and off the auto rotate on your Gigaset GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.